Here are some interesting battery protection settings, and some of these are new. This is the S24 Ultra with Android 14 One UI 6.0. When you're ready to find this setting and change it, you'll use the quick panel access. Tap on the settings icon right up there, this guy right here. Wait, right there. And once you're here now, you'll tap on the search bar here to type in the words battery protection. Go ahead and type that in. That's the fastest way to these settings. And you'll tap on it one time when you see it, and it'll take you right here. Of course, you will need to turn it on to get access to these here. So if it's off, then none of these changes will take effect. But if you turn it on, it'll take effect. So you got the basic, which is one of the new ones here. When your battery is charged at 100%, charging will stop until battery level drops down to 95%. Okay, so what this means is if you're charging your phone, it reaches 100% and you still have it charging. Your charging will stop and then the battery percentage will just go down, use up the battery percentage or battery life. And when it reaches 95%, then the charging is going to start again. Okay, so that's kind of prevented from like charging every time it loses 1%, which is going to save your battery life, okay, or the overall lifespan of your battery. Okay, then you got the adaptive one here, which will go based on like your usage, like your daily usage, and it will adjust to the patterns of your charging. So you want to keep that on, keep the location on, and then you want to keep this mode on for a while until it starts to adapt to it. Then you got the safest one here, which is to set it to charge up to 80%. Okay, so if you're not a heavy user and you know you just need at least 50% to get through the day, then you want to set it to 80% so that if you reach home from work, you put your phone to charge, you're about to go to sleep, and your phone is like maybe 10 or 20%, it's going to reach up to 80% and it's going to stay there and stay at 80%, okay, when it's fully charged. Okay, so the next day you get up, you're going to have 80% on your phone only, and you know yourself, you're not going to use no more than 50%, okay? And of course, you can come back and change these at any given time, like and sub.